How to reset your Pinterest account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open the Pinterest app. It's very quick and simple. There are few steps that you need to follow, and once you follow it, everything will be fine. Then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you click on that, on the top left you'll find your account. Click on that and this screen will open. Then you have to search for privacy and data. Once you search that, you have to scroll down, and after this step there are more steps, so keep watching. You have to click on clear app cache. Once you click on that, here it shows cache cleared. Then you have to go back and go to another option called home feed tuner. Once you click on home feed tuner, all of these pins, they are my previous pins, so you have to click on the hide option, and they will automatically remove it from your feed. So you have to select whichever feed you don't want in your whichever content you don't want in your account. Once you do that, click on interest, and here if you have added any interest, like for example if I added this interest, you have to click on it again and remove it. Then you have to click on board, and if you have a certain pinned account, pinned profile or pinned image, you have to turn it off, which you don't want in your feed anymore. You want to reset it, and then you have to click on following. If you're following certain accounts that are related to that feed or to your account, you have to unfollow them. And once you follow all these steps step by step, your complete Pinterest will be resetted, and you'll get a resetted Pinterest account. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.